Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to render. So you can create for the new object. I will use the rectangle tools and use the extrude to convert into 3D. After it, you can apply material to this object. So you can go to tools and I will use a branch. I will set like into the wood. So you can click plus in home, use inventor material, and I will set wood. So I will use this material, or in here you can right select the object, and then you can right click on the material assigned to selection. So to be automatically convert to the objects. If you want to change for the texture size, you can right click in texture here, click edit, and double click on the image. So you can set for the sample here, like I will set into 1 for sample, and you can close again. The next I will change for view to the perspective view. And if you want to render this object, you can go to the environment here, and you can click the Inventor Studio tools. So we show for the rendering options in this Inventor Studio. So you can click here to render the image, and you can set for general settings. We use the default. This is for the output, or you can use the render option here by time or by iteration. So here we use the by iterations 32. Click render to start rendering the object. So we waiting to render the objects until 100%. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to render.